and welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Bonnie Tan, and our best player of the game, Will Navarro. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Bonnie, today meron kayong bagong import and with only one day to prepare. We saw an improvement in transition, 29 versus 11 points from turnover during the last game. At sustain pa yung early lead na nakuha ng North Court. Paano ba naging posible ang ganitong klaseng dominating game for you guys?
Yeah, what we practice based on our last practice, talagang we need to play as a team. We need to distribute the ball. Hindi panaiwan-iwan yung ating kagad. So, yun, our players played well lang. At least yung mga second group namin na we challenge yung second group namin to deliver also, being consistent. Headed by Will Navarro. At least nakita natin na if we follow lang yung game plan, we can go to this game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Will, in an import conference, talagang mas challenging to stand out. But today, you led all players with 27 points. Can you just talk us through what it felt like playing on the court with your shots going in one after the other?
I just want to clear now. William na tawag sa media. No, I'm just confident. Like I know my shots are gonna go in. It's not surprising for me. Obviously, when I play more, obviously coach give me the opportunity. I'm gonna deliver. That's the thing. So I just have to be on the court more.
Thank you, William. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from
Congratulations. First win sa Governors Cup. Coach, meron kasi nagtaka na after one game, nagpalit yung import. Please, Coach, explain lang ano bang pagbagan ng decision mo eh.
Regarding our import, Bentley is our residence import. So, in terms of familiarity with our locals, nandun na siya. So, talagang hindi na siya umabot ng first game namin, but he was here already. He has some personal commitments lang kaya we have yung backup import namin si Taylor Dance. Which we all know na he played well. Hindi man tayo kumuha ng hindi rin ayos, but talagang we have a commitment with Bentley based on our last conference. He made us enter into the quarterfinals. So yun, we just discussed yung mga lapses namin during the latter part of that conference which he played, which he agreed also. So karoon ng mutual understanding na talagang he'll be back as our residence import ng North Court.
Pero sa coach, sir, parang with Taylor talagang may usapan. So, awareness Taylor na big win yung pagsasay.
So, we all know na it's hard na magsabihin lang pag inuha mo si Taylor, nasabihin mo na temporary import na. Hindi ba lang ganun? Talagang it's all about commitment ng Bentley na he has some personal commitment. That's why we need to get an import na pwede magturo during our first games na.
William, siyempre you're coming up an injury in impact from your rookie years last season din. Coming to the season, how's ano yung pakiramdam mo in terms of how you want to perform this season?
I feel good. Like what I said earlier, I'm confident. Like I just need my minutes, and I know I'll deliver.
Follow up on William. High scoring output for today's game. And usually with North Court, it's usually Arvin who does, the heavy lifting on offense. But now that you kind of got here with him, you seem to have your group for North Court. How will you take the pressure of being one of the
say thank you kay Coach. Kasi binigyan niya ako ng opportunity. He gave me more minutes. On your question, there's no pressure. No pressure. As long as we stick to the system and yeah, we just have to perform. Yeah, that's it.
And that concludes our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again, gentlemen.